trees went snap. Birds flew off with a startled flap. The monkeys tumbled, the tigers hid. The hippos slid and did a skid. The rhinos ran, the zebra spun. His sneezes made the jungle fun. One day he sneezed and, oh dear me, he launched himself up a giant tree. He clung to a branch with a nervous squeak. The whole tree wobbled, creak, creak, creak. The parrot squawked, what's going on? An elephant's flying? That's just wrong. The giraffes looked up and blinked in shock. I think I need a taller rock. The monkeys giggled, what a sight. An elephant stuck at such a height. The lion laughed, the leopards cheered. The jungle crowd had now appeared. But poor old Ellie, big and stout, couldn't figure a way to get back down. I need to sneeze, he said with dread, but if I do, I might hit my head. He wriggled and wobbled, tried to hold tight, but then came a tickle, oh what a fright. Hey, achoo, he roared, the tree went cracked, and down he tumbled, flat on his back. Dust flew up, the ground went boom. Leaves rained down like jungle perfume. The animals gasped, was he okay? Then he sat up and said, what a day. The monkeys clapped, the zebras cheered. That was the funniest thing we've heard in years. The elephant grinned and gave a loud snort. Well, at least now I have a new sport. So every day when the jungle's awake, the elephant sneezes for fun's sake. He launches the knot as he flips the vines and sends the parrots flying in lines. The jungle laughs and joins the game, because sneezes are never quite the same. So if you hear a boom and trees shake free, you'll know it's Ellie the sneezy up in a tree.